As SAP evolves, so should your business. We turn complexity into simplicity so you can lead, not lag. Meet Crave, your expert partner for driving SAP's modern transformation landscape. We don't just migrate your SAP systems, we reimagine them with cloud-first thinking, AI-powered tools, and a blueprint for speed and stability. From 100% operational automation with our industry-customized SAP BTP implementation to seamless modernization through process integration, orchestration, and integration suite. We help you adapt at scale without downtime. Our secret? Smart platforms like CoreAssess.ai for rapid ERP evaluation and AccessHub.ai for total governance control. Built by us, trusted by enterprises globally. We've succeeded in our partnerships with giants across life sciences, retail, oil and gas, and manufacturing. So, if you're planning a complex SAP upgrade with minimal disruption, let's talk. Crave delivers clarity where others bring complexity.